This is Peter from NT Realty, and today we have a bit of a rare find for you today. We're on the Lustica Peninsula. We're in a village near Gosici, Radovici, close to Lustica Bay. And we have this amazing ruin here on the left-hand side. It's in a plot of 276 square meters on a base of 92 square meters on 2 levels. So you have a gross build area of 184 square meters. What that means is actually by the time you take away these big, thick walls out of it, you have 142 square meters of net space. So probably giving you a good sized 3-bedroom stone cottage in Lustica. I'm going to get the other side of the camera, take you around the place, see what you think. If you like the videos, please like it and subscribe if you want to watch the latest videos from NT Realty. And that's it. Let's go through, see what you think. So here we have it, this handsome stone house on the Lustica Peninsula. Quite a rare find now to get a ruin. A lot of them have been bought up and renovated. This is quite a substantial property. As I said, net 142 square meters. Set in this amazing countryside, close to Radovici, not far away from Lustica Bay, Plavi Horizonti, which is probably one of the best beaches in the area. Love this little feature here, this little kind of tunnel into the main house. Obviously you can get an idea of the amount of space you have here. So as I said, I think there's 94 square meters on the base. Probably makes it about 80 internal. Lots and lots of space for your open plan living, dining space. Swiftly moving up onto the second floor. This is quite unique. This little building here, this is actually separate to the main property. It's about 22 square meters. Ideal for your 3rd bedroom. Amazing kind of features with all this stone here. Again, fantastic views. Overlooking the neighbour's property who's renovating it right now. Got the workers hard at work here. Lovely features like this above the doorways. And once again into the main living space. So this is obviously the area where you'd have the bedrooms. So you could have 2 massive bedrooms, both en suite, or 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, whatever you like. You get a good architect, you'll get some amazing designs here. Again, these fantastic views. So here we are, you can see the kind of setting that it's in. Sadly, the where I'm standing now on the right hand side, that gumno, that kind of stone circle, doesn't come with the property. However, the only access to it is actually through this property. So pretty much, is yours to use quite freely. You can see behind you have Lustica Bay, courtyard below you. These fantastic views. On the ridge here is where the Lustica Bay will have its 18-hole golf course eventually, sooner or later. We'll just quickly run to the back of the house now. And this stone circle actually does come with the property. So you do have this kind of unique Lustica kind of stone circle called a gumno or guvno. And that's it. That about wraps up the video for this stone property in Lustica. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. There's a couple of videos on screen now for you that you might be interested in, a playlist and a recommended video. Like and subscribe if you want to watch the latest videos from NT Realty. Thank you for watching.